All managers and staff should conduct themselves as professionals. So let's talk about some guidelines here. When you enjoy your job, it will be easier to have a great attitude. Try to learn to overlook the mistakes and flaws of others, and you'll enjoy your job and your life a lot more. Have pride in all you do and always come to work to do your best. Always offer some kind of answer to a guest's questions, even if it's only to point them to someone else who has the answer. Don't use inappropriate language as you might offend someone. Know your products so you can answer guest questions, and keep your cool no matter how busy you get. Staff should never be required to tolerate any kind of behavior from a customer, fellow employee, or superior that makes them feel uncomfortable. There are laws to protect employees from all types of harassment, discrimination, and unfair treatment. No one should be required to attend unpaid meetings, and no one should be asked to pay for cash shortages. However, keep in mind that in the case of perhaps a bartender or a cashier, if the cash drawer is often over or short, the person may not be qualified for the job. The labor board in your area can assist you with questions pertaining to this issue. Managers should treat all staff equally and fairly. However, what might appear to be favoritism is often just simply acknowledgement for a job well done. Staff should be encouraged and welcomed to speak with management anytime they feel they might need help or have questions about their performance. Managers should use coaching rather than criticism to inspire staff to be their best, but sometimes even that doesn't work. In that case, a heart-to-heart talk may have to happen. Though it can be a difficult conversation on all parts, employees deserve the respect to know how their management feels about their performance. Every employee is important and vital to a smooth operation. Tardiness upsets the whole routine and is rude and irresponsible. All staff should arrive on time to prepare for their shift. In discussing professionalism, this is a good time to mention safety. We'll talk more about safety issues in a future lesson, but I just want to mention here not to cut corners when it comes to the safety and security of all staff and guests. I can't emphasize enough how important teamwork is in the service industry. Staff has to work side by side, everyone giving their all at every moment. There's no room for laziness or bad attitudes. If we have even one slacker, service will suffer, customers will notice, and the business could possibly even fail. Uniforms and tools should be provided by the establishment. Staff should treat both with the same care they would as if they were their own. Accidents and mistakes are bound to happen, but purposeful waste should not be tolerated.